Applying Stoicism. In any challenging situation, just ask yourself, right now, what is within my control and what is outside my control? Your job is to let go of what is outside your control and focus only on things you can control. This is the essence of Stoicism. Now, most people make themselves miserable by focusing and actually obsessing about things that are completely outside of their control. Three of the greatest Stoic philosophers each talk about this idea in their books: Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, Discourses by Epictetus, and Letters to Lucilius by Seneca. In Discourses, Epictetus says, "When I see an anxious person, I ask myself, what do they want? If the person wasn't wanting something outside their own control, why would they be stricken by anxiety?" What he's saying is that we can only be anxious when we're obsessing about something that is outside of our control. But what is the use of obsessing over something that is outside of our control? Does it help in any way? Not really. So on the other hand, if it is within your control, what's there to worry about? All we need to do is take the next step. So let me give you an example of how to actually apply this idea. Let's say you want to talk to a beautiful girl, but you're anxious about what will happen if you go up to talk to her. So the first step in the process is to ask yourself, what exactly am I anxious about? Am I anxious about getting rejected, being made fun of everyone noticing me getting rejected, whatever it might be? The next step, the second step, is to ask yourself, when I think about the things I'm anxious about, what is outside my control? You will always find that almost everything you're anxious about or nervous about or fearful about is outside your control. In this case, you cannot control the outcome when interacting with another person. You cannot control whether the girl will reject you or make fun of you. So what's the use of being anxious about something that you cannot control? This is a very important key to Stoicism right here. The next step, the third step, is to ask yourself, when I think about the things I'm anxious about, what exactly is within my control? When you're going to talk to a stranger, you can control what you will say, what your mindset will be, what your body language will be like, and things of that nature. You can control your thoughts and your actions, but that's all. You cannot control their responses to you. So all you need to do is focus on what you can control. That's all. The next step, the fourth step, is to ask yourself, how can I improve on the things that are within my control? How can I improve what I will say, what my mindset is going to be like, and what my body language is going to be like? That's all. And the fifth and the final step is to take action and improve on the thing that is within your control. That's it. When you do this, you have conquered your fear, your anxiety, your nervousness, and instead empowered yourself by taking action.